Well, hello folks. Hope you're having a great day today. Hope all thank you for viewing the video. Hey guys, it's just your first time to the channel. Go ahead and hit the like, guys, if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So when I upload videos, guys, you will be the first to know. Guys, again, I'm honored to have you view this video. Want to entitle this video Millionaire Mailer Relaunch. The relaunch of the Millionaire Mailer number 5 and 6, the big ticket programs. And guys, we're super excited about this relaunch. It is going extremely well. People are getting in position, getting lined up, because guys, we are just in the beginning of something big here as we exit out of June into July, the very first. And we know that work at home begins to explode around August 15th. And now it's time to get in position. Get your website, get your flyers, get in position now, guys, to reap an abundant harvest when work order, mail order, and things like this, work at home, explodes at the end of the year. So, guys, we're excited. Guys, the Millionaire Mailer is a flagship program that offers not only products but services. It has products and services, guys. It's a mail order program that has absolutely helped change people's lives. It's been an incredible program for the past few years, and we're excited. We're relaunching, guys, the Millionaire Mailer number 5 and 6, and what they are, they're the big ticket programs where you can earn $500 commission, you can earn a $1,000 commission, and a $250 commission. Well, Millionaire Mailer, let's go ahead and throw the 4 in there also, but we're mainly focused on the 5 and 6, the big ticket. Guys, you can choose whatever level you want to participate in, and we're going to go over that in just a moment. But guys, look at this Millionaire Mailer website. This is a beautiful website designed by our web designer. You can have a website that looks just like this, guys, and it can be tailored specifically to you. Or we're going to be making a lot of generic websites that if you just want to remain in the background, we're going to have proof up here of people receiving payments in the program, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So the Millionaire Mailer, guys, we're on a young man's website that this website right here is already generating sales for him. A young man called Jerry Jefferson, and Jerry is already making sales with this program, and we're excited about what he is doing with the program. Hang on tight, guys, and we're gonna Jerry Johnson. I said Jefferson, but just Jerry Johnson is going to be credible as far as a marketer in this program. We do have a Jerry Johnson in the program, a Jerry Jefferson in the program also. But Jerry Johnson is, guys, absolutely tearing this thing up, and we're excited about it. The Millionaire Mailer says, what will you do with all the free time in the world? Live life without stress and your money problems are over. Jerry had a proof video of a payment, $500 payment being received, put on his website, tailored to him. And guys, this is the proof video, and we're going to have another proof video for all the members, and it's going to be tailored for anybody who wants to get involved, or a personally tailored website. With the Millionaire Mailer, folks, you can earn unlimited 50, unlimited 25, 100, 250, 500, even $1,000 payments daily to your mailbox. And I'm telling you what, folks, this thing is absolutely rocking and rolling. We're going to have a documented proof for you to see that it is absolutely exploding. And guys, this is just the beginning. We're on the beginning of something big. And guys, I tell people all the time, if you don't think people will join these programs and pay $1,000 commissions out to you, guys, open up your understanding, because people are doing it every single day. And we're totally stoked about the value that we're offering people that want to work from the comfort of their home, want to get into financial freedom. Guys, create the lifestyle that you can go when you want to go, do what you want to do, and stay as long as you want to stay. I mean, creating the lifestyle, guys, that you can win every day. And that is absolutely incredible to me. The Millionaire Mailer, folks. The Millionaire Mailer is just an absolutely outstanding program. And let's talk about it. This flyer, folks, can make you an obscene amount of money, hundreds in cash every day. The fast results will literally amaze you. Folks, did you know that millions each year can be made by ordinary individuals? Now is your turn to become part of this lucrative home-based mail order industry. Folks, this is your invitation to become a member of a brand new state-of-the-art money making system. The Millionaire Mailer. Folks, there has anything like this program has ever been created before. We believe that this will be one of the last programs that you will ever need to join. It is simple, folks, to go from $25 a day to hundreds of day in cash income. Why? It's a very fast-paced program. There are no tricks involved. All the money comes directly to you. You know exactly how much you're making. There are no minimum requirements to get involved, and you get paid. You just mail and receive 100% of the cash payments to your mailbox. Folks, the results are absolutely amazing. Folks, this flyer has been tested and proven. These flyers have been tested and proven to pull in cash like crazy. Folks, on this website, you can have a website that looks just like this. This is an optional website. You don't have to have the website. You can just mail the flyers or postcards. We have postcards, folks. This is incredible. And folks, that's exciting. What we're doing, folks, when you join a higher level, let's say you join the $1,000 level, you're going to automatically get the 25, the 250, the 100, the 50, and the $25 level. You join the 500, you're going to automatically get the 250, the 500, and the 50, and the $25 level. When you, again, it's stated on there, when you join the higher levels, you get the lesser levels absolutely free. Jerry has even got a way, folks, if you're looking at this video from outside the U.S., you can send for your product package, the product that you get with this program. If you're outside, you can click on here. It gives you instructions to send via FedEx. Folks, it's absolutely incredible. Folks, here are the benefits. Here are the benefits for joining the program. The higher level you go up in joining the program, the more perks that you have when joining the Millionaire Mailer. And that is absolutely incredible. Folks, this is what you get. Millionaire Mailer 1, you're going to get $1,000 saving when you join there. $100 saving. Millionaire Mailer 2, folks, you're going to be able to make $50 payments, folks. It includes the Millionaire Mailer 1. Millionaire Mailer 3, folks, you're going to get the opportunity to make $100 payments. And you're going to have access to the Millionaire Mailer 2 and 1. When you join the 4, folks, you're going to have access to not only the 250 flyer, but all the other previous programs. Folks, when you join the 5, you're going to have all of this, folks, and then you're going to be able to get 30 minutes to an hour consultation with the owner of the program, if you so desire. Folks, an incredible value. And we also have the Millionaire Mailer 6. When you join the Millionaire Mailer 6, which is the $1,000 level, folks, you're going to get access to all of this. Absolutely, a business in a box. Why should you be excited, folks? Your name appears on your flyer in position number 1. Everybody that joins from your flyer, you refer to the program, will go into position number 1, and then your name will move to number 2. And when they get a sign up, you're going to move to number 3. Folks, you're going to be able to literally be on hundreds of flyers and in these positions. These are what you call permanent pay positions. And we'll talk about that a little bit more in just a minute. Folks, imagine your name on hundreds, even thousands of flyers, unlimited instant payments you can receive, folks, for the life of the program. Here's what to do next, folks. Just follow the simple instructions and find the level you want to participate. Make your one-time payment, folks. When you make that one-time payment, there are absolutely no monthly fees. There's no admin fees, folks. Once you join, you're a member for life. Here is more of what Jerry has done with his website, some of lifestyle things. There's Jerry Johnson, some things that he has done in his career and in his life. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer conference call will be on your website just like Jerry's is, and we could put a picture of you and we could put your name right here. It will be just that information. Your Facebook logo can go here. And folks, to get a site just like this, folks, your team members can request a site just like this. And if you got a traffic resource, we can plug that in for you. Just incredible, guys, as the value. Let's talk about the products and the services, guys. Here is what the flyers look like when you participate, guys. This is the Millionaire Mailer number 6. This is the $1,000 flyer. This is what it looks like. Attention, the Prosperity Connection Center is here. When people click onto the button, this is what it takes them to, the $1,000 level. Let me go back to the button, guys. This is the button. These buttons, these flyers, they are clickable. When you click on the button, this is what the flyer will look like. This is, again, the $1,000 level. All right, now, guys, On this level number 1, this entitles you to receive $1,000 payments. Folks, that is absolutely incredible. $1,000 payments on this flyer in number 1. When you get a sign up, you'll move to number 2, and then you'll be able to receive $500 payments on that website. So, and then 500 to the company. So it's 5, 5, and 1,000. Okay. Now we come over to the Millionaire Mailer number 6, guys. The number 5, guys, you're going to have 5 to the first person, 5 to the second, 5 to the third, and 5 to the company. So, guys, that's absolutely incredible. You will begin to get a part of that flyer. So, tremendous value. And this is the way it works. Let's talk about the products, guys. When you join, here are the bonuses, folks. It says when you make out the proof and you send it to the monitor for confirmation, what you do after we confirm that all the money have been received by everybody received their commission for selling the product, what you're going to receive is going to be added bonuses. You're going to get an all-inclusive guide called the Mail Report. It's going to be a physical report in a package mailed to your home. And it's going to show you how to make thousands of dollars weekly in mail order. It absolutely rocks. You're going to get a top-of-the-line mailing list directory. This is where we have proven buyer names on pill and stick labels. You're going to get pill and stick labels that's going to help get you off to a fast start, and I'll show you that. You're going to get complete instructions, our preferred print and mail service, guys. These people will print your flyers and they will mail them on your behalf, or they will send them to you in a box. That is absolutely exciting. So we're excited about that. Guys, you are also going to receive 100 fresh and responsive buyer leads on pill and stick labels. 100 fresh and responsive. Now, when you join the Millionaire Mailer 6, we're going to send you 200 fresh and responsive leads on pill and stick labels. Folks, just an incredible program. And that's what we're going to send to you, the buyer leads on pill and stick labels. So, the Millionaire Mailer, folks, people are having tremendous success with just, if you can mail a flyer, folks, if you get a website, we've got a postcard that is underway, being designed right now, that looks like this. That's going to create unlimited payments to your mailbox. It's just an incredible value, an incredible program. Guys, as an added benefit, guys, an added service, we have created what we call a 24/7 conference call number. This is a service that we provide for our members. This conference call closes sales effortlessly for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. People can call this number and they can make an informed decision as if they see value, if they see products and what they see in the program, and they can make an informed decision as to whether to partner with you in this program. Folks, this conference call is held every Tuesday night, and the replay number is available 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It does all the selling, telling, and explaining for you, so you never have to. Folks, I am stoked again to have you listen to this video about the Millionaire Mailer. It absolutely rocks. Tremendous value, tremendous program. Reach out to Jerry Jefferson if you have a question, or whomever mailed you the flyer, whomever mailed you the postcard, whoever got this information. You get back to that person that shared this information with you. Let them know that I'm in. Folks, have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video.